Hello, third grade. Hope everybody's having a great week. So exciting to be back doing multiplication this week. Taking a break from subtraction. I really look forward to looking at multiplication strategies, and this I think is a great one as you're learning your multiplication facts to fall back to landmark or friendly numbers. Think about when you first learned how to make tens. That's a friendly number. The nice thing about this one is if you look at 6 nines and 6 nines is 54, that's fantastic. If we're like, well, I don't know what 6 nines is, but the beauty of it is when you first learned to count by tens, well, let's round that up. Let's make that a friendly number. So let's make that 9 into a 10. So we know 6 tens, well, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 6 tens is the same as 60. Now, we don't have 6 tens though. We have 6 nines, so we're going to have to take one of those away, right? One of those 6s away, and we know we have an answer of 54. That's one way we could do it. Another way we can do it is we can actually decompose 9 into 5, gain 2, gain 2. Again, friendly numbers. 6 5s, well, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 6 5s is 30. Then 6 2s, well, I can count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Oh, wait a second. 6 2s again, so that's another 12. So 30. 10 is 40. 10 is 50, so 54. That's another way to do it. Let's say we look at 8. Let's look at 8 nines. Well, you may know 8 nines is 72, or you may say, well, I'm going to look at it as 8 tens, because I just rounded the 9 up to a 10. I know 8 tens is 80, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And I have one less 8. So I only have 9 of them. So when I subtract, I have an answer of 72. Or we can go back to that and say, well, we could also break this up into 5, 2, and 2. So 8 5, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 8 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Oh, and 8 2s again, so it's another 16. So again, 40, 50, 60. And then 6 plus 6 is 12. So 60 plus 12. So we have, again, that answer of 72. Now we go to 2-digit numbers, like we have below. So we have 9 19s. Well, we could actually do this as, again, 9 20s, which we know is the same as 180, since we have to do one less. So we're left an answer of 171. Or we could break up the 19 and we could say, well, or actually, you know what? Let's look at it another way. Because let's allow ourselves to use commutative property. So let's not look at it as 9 19s. Let's look at it as 19 10s. So if we think about that, we're going to rewrite it. So we're going to say 19. We're going to round that 9 to a 10. So 19 tens is the same as 190. Now we don't have 19 tens. We only have 9. We only have 9 19s, not 10 19s. So if we were to subtract, we would again get an answer of 171. So that's just again another way. We could have also broken that up where we could have done the 10 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2. That's another method. But the nice thing about making landmark or friendly numbers is just that. Work with numbers that work for you. If you know how to skip count by 2s, count by twos. If you know skip, count by five, count by fives. You know tens, count by tens. Do what works best for you. Thank you.